Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best snack size pretzels is probably one of the most versatile and satisfying snacks available, offering a delightful crunch and savory flavor that appeals to a wide range of tastes and occasions, making them a go-to choice for anyone seeking a quick, convenient, and delicious bite whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Number 5. SNYDER'S of Hanover Variety Pack Pretzels, 36 count. Introducing the SNYDER'S of Hanover Variety Pack Pretzels. Enjoy a delicious assortment of your favorite pretzel flavors in one convenient pack. With 36 individual servings, there's plenty to share with family and friends. Perfect for lunches, snacks, or any occasion. From classic twists to bold flavors, this variety pack has something for everyone. Discover your new favorite pretzel. These individually wrapped pretzels are ideal for busy lifestyles. Take them to work, school, or on your next adventure. Elevate your snacking with the satisfying crunch and taste of SNYDER'S of Hanover. It's the ultimate pretzel experience. Ensure you always have a tasty snack on hand. This 36 count pack is perfect for keeping your pantry well stocked. What we like. This pack offers a wide assortment of flavors to satisfy everyone's cravings. It's a large pack, making it ideal for gatherings and events. If you're hosting a party or need a crowd-pleasing snack, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The pretzels are perfectly seasoned and have a satisfying crunch. Great for a quick snack, the individual bags keep them fresh. The snack size is ideal for portion control and on-the-go munching. Number 4. SNYDER'S of Hanover Variety Pack Pretzels. Introducing the SNYDER'S of Hanover Variety Pack, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy a delicious assortment of your favorite pretzel flavors in one convenient package. This pack contains 20 individual bags, each weighing 0.92 ounces. They are perfectly portioned for on-the-go snacking or sharing with friends and family. With a variety of flavors, there's a pretzel to satisfy everyone's cravings. From classic twists to seasoned varieties, discover your new favorite. Take them to your next gathering, picnic, or simply enjoy them at home. They are the ideal snack to complement any event. Each bag is sealed to ensure maximum freshness and crunch. You can taste the quality in every single bite. Trust SNYDER'S of Hanover for a premium snacking experience. Their commitment to quality ingredients and delicious taste is evident in every pretzel. What we like. Enjoy a selection of popular flavors in perfectly portioned bags. These are excellent for packing in lunches or taking on trips. If you need convenient, individually wrapped snacks for busy days or travel, consider this option. What people say. Each bag is perfectly portioned at 100 calories, making them an ideal treat for Halloween trick-or-treaters or a convenient snack for a quick energy boost during the day. They are non-GMO certified, kosher, and produced in a peanut-free facility, making them a safe option for school lunches or gatherings where food allergies might be a concern. The packaging is designed thoughtfully, with individual bags neatly contained within a larger box, ensuring that none get crushed or torn during transit. Number 3. SNYDER'S of Hanover Mini Pretzels 100 Calorie Packs. Introducing SNYDER'S of Hanover Mini Pretzels, the perfect snack for any occasion. Enjoy the classic pretzel taste in convenient individual packs. Each pack is perfectly portioned at 100 calories, making it easy to manage your snacking. Grab one on the go for a satisfying treat. These individual packs are ideal for packing lunches or taking with you when you're out and about. They ensure freshness and portion control every time. Get more of what you love with this 36 count value pack. You'll have plenty of these delicious mini pretzels to share or enjoy yourself. Experience the satisfying crunch and classic salty flavor that SNYDER'S of Hanover is known for. It's a timeless snack that everyone enjoys. Trust SNYDER'S of Hanover for quality and taste in every bite. They have been making delicious snacks for generations. What we like. These mini pretzels come in convenient 100-calorie packs for easy portion control. The small size makes them easy to enjoy without overindulging. If you're mindful of your calorie intake or looking for a guilt-free snack, these are a fantastic selection. What people say. They're crunchy, salty, and honestly just hit the spot when you want something simple. The individual packs are super convenient and help with tracking calories. Each package has enough pretzels in them to feel satisfied. Number 2. Rolled Gold Tiny Twists Pretzels. Introducing Rolled Gold Tiny Twists Pretzels. These bite-sized pretzels are perfect for snacking anytime, anywhere. Enjoy the classic, satisfying crunch in every bite. Each 1-ounce bag is perfectly portioned for your convenience. Grab one for a quick snack on the go or to share with friends. It's the ideal way to satisfy your cravings. Rolled Gold Tiny Twists have been a family favorite for generations. Their simple, delicious taste appeals to everyone. Bring home a pack and create new snacking memories. This value pack includes 40 individual bags of Tiny Twists pretzels. You'll have plenty to stock your pantry, pack in lunches, or keep at your desk. Never run out of your favorite snack again. Experience the timeless taste of Rolled Gold pretzels. Baked to perfection, they offer a light and airy crunch with just the right amount of salt. It's a snack you can feel good about. What we like? Experience the classic, satisfying crunch of these tiny twists. This pack provides a generous amount for continuous snacking. If you appreciate a straightforward, traditional pretzel flavor and want a bulk option, this is a solid pick. What people say. Perfect size for party bags. Very fresh. Very good pricing. They taste great and fresh. Number 1. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps Variety Pack. Introducing the Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps Variety Pack. It's the perfect way to enjoy a variety of delicious pretzel crisps. Each pack is individually sealed, making them ideal for on-the-go snacking. Enjoy them at home, at work, or anywhere you need a tasty treat. This variety pack contains 24 individual 1.5-ounce bags. You'll have plenty to share or to keep all to yourself. Experience the satisfying crunch and salty flavor of these unique pretzel crisps. They are baked to perfection for a delightful snacking experience. Whether you're packing lunches, planning a party, or just craving a snack, these pretzel crisps are a crowd pleaser. Their versatile nature makes them a go-to choice. With a variety of flavors included, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Discover your new favorite pretzel crisp today. What we like? These offer a delightful, thin, and crispy texture unlike traditional pretzels. They come in exciting flavor combinations perfect for pairing with dips. If you're looking for a sophisticated snack with a satisfying crunch and enjoy dipping, these are an excellent choice. What people say. They come individually packaged, perfect for tossing into lunchboxes, backpacks, or keeping at my desk. The chips are crunchy, fresh, and full of flavor. Exactly what I want when I'm craving something salty but not too heavy. The packaging is super convenient, perfect for tossing in my bag or desk drawer without worrying about them going stale. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.